Congratulations, you've made it to the Ode to Joy from Beethoven's Ninth Symphony. Beethoven was the most famous composer of his day over 200 years ago. In fact, he was like a rock star back then. Everybody loved Beethoven. The poor Beethoven at this point had lost his hearing. He wrote the Ninth Symphony without being able to hear a note of it, which is incredible. Yeah, he did it, and professional orchestras to this day play it, and audiences love it. And I'm looking forward to you learning it. Okay, let's break down the Ode to Joy. The first two measures have some old friends, 2 quarter notes, followed by something new, which is the half note rest, which is that bar sitting on the middle line. That's worth 2 quarter notes. And our second quarter note is a quarter note flam. And as you remember, you play the flam just like it's written. There's a little note and a big note. So the grace note, or the little note, is softer than the big note. Okay, let's play those first 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bars 3 and 4, quarter notes with flams, quarter rests. We've seen those before. Bar 4 is a half note, which is worth 2 quarters, and then 4/8, which is also worth 2 quarters. So I'm going to play the first 4 bars now into bar 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bars 5 and 6 are identical to bars 1 and 2. So we don't have to break those down. Bars 5 and 6 are identical to bars 1 and 2. 7 is identical to 3, and 8 is 3 simple quarters. So let's play the first 8 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're halfway through this 16-bar piece. Now, what happens is bar 9 and 10 are rests, and that long bar with the 2 above it means 2 bars rest. It could be any number. That's a way to write a whole bunch of rests with 1 number or 2 numbers or 3. That's followed by a snare drum roll, and that's notated with the whole note, the 2 slashes underneath it, and then the accompanying dynamic is written under that, which is 2 Ps, meaning very soft, pianissimo. Then we get to play a crescendo to a very loud dynamic, fortissimo, which is 4 eighth notes. So I'd like to play bars 11 and 12 by themselves. We'll break that down so you can hear the roll, the dynamic, and the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's take it home. Now we're at bar 13. Just like the beginning, 13 and 14. 15 is like bar 3. We're recapping some earlier material here. And then bar 16 is just like bar 8. So we've seen all these figures before. Let's try playing the whole thing now. From the beginning, I'll count it off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ode to Joy. Have fun with it.